We are going to make double Kha Meeta Hyderabad special sweet. First you chop the bread into these kind of pieces and you're going to roast these in the ghee. Wait until the ghee is very hot. So one tip for roasting these is like use very less ghee, like as you can see over here, very thin layer of ghee. Add the bread, flip them, and once again fry these, because if you add whole lot of ghee into this pan, this bread is going to suck all the ghee into it, so we don't want that. We have a lot more bread to roast, so use very less ghee, roast them, then you can move it to the other pan, then add some more ghee and roast the other pieces. Now this is how you fry the bread in the ghee, and also at the end don't forget to fry cashews in the same ghee. Now in the same bowl we are going to add some water. Now we are going to add half a cup of sugar. And wait until this gets thickened, and then we are going to add some. Now to this water we are going to add some ilachi, crushed ilachi or green cardamom. Now once you see this kind of lot of foam, then it's good time to add the bread. And while mixing the bread, make sure you gently mix it. Now we are going to add some milk to this, half a cup of milk. If you have kova, then you can add the kova to this one, the sweet, or else the milk is good enough. Now leave it like this for 5 to 7 minutes. Now as you can see, all the milk got absorbed into the bread. The double Kha Meeta is ready. Now you can add some cashew and kismis. If you have pistachios, you can add some pistachios. And one more thing is like add some ghee at the end. That's going to bring a lot of aroma into this one and the taste. That's it. Double Kha Meeta is ready. And what we are going to do now is we are going to transfer this into a glass container, and we are going to keep it in freezer for 10 minutes. The double Kha Meeta is ready, and you can add some pistachios, you can add some almonds, any kind of dry fruits to make it more awesome. Hope you like it, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment for more. And you can also, if you want something to be made in future, like any kind of recipe, any kind of dishes you want, and don't forget to add those dishes in the comments, so I will try them later on.